So this is me again, live from the snowstorm. It's midnight on a Thursday night. People are having so much fun here. My only regret is that I didn't bring a proper lighting equipment, but there's a lot of snow fights here and there, and you can see also kids outside and students building snowmen, and a couple of random fighting against each other. This is what it looks like. This is amazing.
Yes! Moment! Keep going! Oh, so close, dude.
I did it with very little force. So prepared. That's the point of a snowball fight, damn it! Oh my god, I can't. Oh shit. I give you my leg! Stop it!
Midnight snow fight at Columbia University. What could be cooler than that?
Oh shoot.
Oh, fuck.
Big man. Marvin, have your camera. No, I won't leave it with you.
What's up?
Where's she when you end? Where's she when you end?
I just got hit by a snowball.
Oh my god, this is the best thing there. Yes!
Oh my god. Happy birthday, Shim. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Like in Antarctica? Like those scientists?
Simone some more.
Oh wow, beautiful. Okay guys, time to upload this. Bye bye.